In this simple short video, in details, I'm going to show you how to replace the light bulbs on your Ford F150. This is 2019, but this tutorial will work for all half-ton Ford F150 trucks from 2018 and up. Today is 2023. Alright, let's get started. I already did a passenger side, and as example I will show you everything on a driver's side. And on the bottom we have a high beam, which is this bulb, and on the top we have a low beam. As a replacement for the low beam light bulb, we're going to use Philips 9005. This is our old light bulb, and this is Sylvania HB3. For the high beam, we're going to use the Philips H11, and our original one was H11 Germany Osram. Yeah, they're pretty good, they work, but we're going to put a brighter one. As you can see, light bulb sprockets, they're different. Connectors won't connect, and you won't be able to connect low to high, higher to low, and vice versa. Pretty simple design. And first, turn your steering wheel all the way to the left if you're doing driver's side, or all the way to the right if you're doing the passenger side. That way we have more room to peel the wheel liner back. Unfortunately, you cannot access the light bulbs from the top, from under the hood. We have to go and reach them from underneath. As you can see here, we have a plastic wheel liner. We have to partially undo that one and get access to our light bulbs. Here we go. We need a 732 small socket with a 1/4 inch ratchet, and here's 1, 2, and 3 tiny little screws, and a plastic clip, which is super easy to remove. Just turn it counterclockwise and pull the center out like that. Here we go, nice and easy. One is removed. Let's remove all those tiny little screws. Take a second to subscribe to the channel, that way you won't miss any new helpful videos. Thank you so much for doing that. And we have 1, 2, 3 tiny little screws removed and a plastic clip. Alright, now let's bend this metal part a little bit out like that. It will help us to slide the liner out easy. Slide it over like that, and pull it back a little bit. Bungee cord to make my life easier. Let's hooked up in a hole like that, and pull it all the way out, and go and hook up another hook to the arm. Here you go. Now we have tons of room. Let's take a look inside. Here's our high beam on the bottom and low beam right at the top. They're all the same. Let's pull the weather rubber boot. There we go. Oof. Please pay attention which way light bulb is installed. We have to put it in the same way. Okay, rub it like that and twist it counterclockwise. So, and pull it out. It will come out when you align those slots. Here we go. Pull it a little bit further out, and here's our electrical connector. Don't touch the glass part of the light bulb with your fingers. Just stay away from that, or wear the rubber gloves. Okay, let's disconnect the connector. And don't pull wires. Just to pry this plastic retaining tub up like that, and slide the connector out. Here we go. Nice and easy. We have Sylvania HB3, and as a replacement part we have Philips HB3 9005, 12 volts, 60 watts. Okay, compare them side by side. As you can see, they're identical. This is our new one I'm going to install. Let's connect the electrical first, like that. Click, locked, nice and in place. Alright, let's put the bulb back in. Light bulb will go only in one way. It's designed that way, that you cannot put it wrong. And as you can see here, we have a smaller tub, and on the bottom is bigger one. Align this tiny little guy with a slot at the top, like that, as you can see, and turn it clockwise, like that. Here we go, click, and place the wiring inside, like that. And the light bulb should be plumb vertical, like that. No play, locked in place, beautiful. Let's put a weather rubber boot back, check it for cuts or cracks. Looks like new, just a little bit dusty. I like to start it at the top, that's why it's easier. And we'll go. Take your time. If this video is helpful, put a thumbs up. Thank you so much for doing that. As you can see, a rubber boot is back in place, all sealed. Check it around, make sure no gaps. Beautiful. Okay, we have our high beam bulb replaced. Let's go and do our low beam at the top. Well, for the top bulb, everything will be pretty much the same as we did for the bottom. Yeah, let's get it done. It's pretty high up. Over here, let's remove our rubber boot, like that. Nice and easy. Alright. Let's remove the bulb. Turn it counterclockwise all the way until it stops. And pull her out. Nice, look at that. Bulb came out. Let's disconnect the electrical connector. Pretty a little bit tight to film, but I guess you can see it. Good enough. Here we go. And over here we have Osram H11, 12 volts, 55 watts, made in Germany. Okay, this one we're going to replace with a Philips. Always compare light bulbs side by side, make sure they're identical, they will fit, and of course they will. Okay, let's connect the electrical connector first. Don't touch the glass part of the bulb with your fingers. Here we go, it's all connected, clicked, locked, and now we have to put a light bulb back. As you can see, there's a wider latch on the bottom and two on the top. Yeah, I'm going to do that right now. Okay, let me show you the slots. As you can see over there, I'm going to place the light bulb in a hole. Only will go one way, no other way around. When slots are aligned properly, bulb will go all the way in. Then you just turn it like that. As soon as it clicks, stops, check it out. It's all in place and it's not going anywhere. Let's put the wiring inside and put it weather cap. Before putting the wheel well plastic liner back, check the operation of your headlights. I'm going to put a wheel liner back in place, and thank you so much guys for your time watching this video. Appreciated that. And if you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, concerns, put everything down in the comment section below. And yeah, see you soon, take care.